Top 8 Best Foods for Your Brain and Nervous System. Your brain and nervous system are the command centers of your entire body. They control everything from your thoughts and emotions to movements and vital processes. To keep them running efficiently, the quality of your nutrition matters significantly. The foods we eat not only provide energy, but can also boost memory, focus, and overall cognitive well-being while protecting nerves from damage. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 best foods that can help you keep your brain sharp and your nervous system strong. Let's dive in. When it comes to brain health, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are often hailed as superstars. Why? Because they're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, and EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid. These fatty acids are essential for maintaining the structure and fluidity of cell membranes, especially in brain cells. Omega-3s play a critical role in enhancing memory, learning abilities, and emotional balance. They also improve communication between neurons, which can promote better cognitive function. Research even suggests that regular consumption of fatty fish may help stave off neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. To include fatty fish in your diet, aim for at least 2 servings per week. Grill some salmon with a dash of lemon, use tuna in salads, or enjoy mackerel on whole grain toast. Plant-based alternatives, like chia seeds or flax seeds, are also good sources of omega-3s for those who don't consume fish. Dark, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients that your brain and nervous system love. These greens are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which protect your brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. They're also high in vitamin K, folate, and magnesium, which improve overall nerve function and reduce inflammation in the brain. Folate, in particular, is crucial for producing neurotransmitters that send signals throughout your body, making it essential for proper nervous system communication. Vitamin K supports cognitive health by enhancing memory and learning. Want to include more greens in your meals? Add spinach to your morning smoothie, enjoy a hearty kale salad, or stir some Swiss chard into soups or stews. It's an easy and delicious way to keep your brain and body healthy. Nuts and seeds are compact powerhouses of nutrients. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds stand out for their impressive brain-boosting properties. These foods are rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that slows age-related cognitive decline and protects your cells from oxidative stress. Walnuts are particularly special because they also contain omega-3 fatty acids, along with polyphenol that support brain health. Meanwhile, seeds like sunflower and pumpkin seeds are excellent sources of magnesium, which helps regulate nerve function and boosts mood. Snack on a handful of nuts during the day or sprinkle seeds over your yogurt, smoothie bowls, or salads. Nut butters are another convenient way to reap the benefits. Just spread almond or sunflower seed butter on whole grain toast for a quick energy boost. Berries are not just a sweet treat, but also a nutritional goldmine for your brain. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with flavonoids, antioxidants that fight inflammation and enhance memory function. These antioxidants help repair damaged neurons while encouraging better communication between brain cells. Regular consumption of berries has been shown to reduce cognitive decline and improve brain plasticity, which is crucial for learning and retaining new information. A great way to incorporate berries into your diet is by adding them to cereals or oatmeal in the morning, blending them into smoothies, or simply eating them fresh as a snack. Their vibrant flavors and brain benefits make them a must-have in any diet. Turmeric, the bright yellow spice often associated with curries, contains an active compound called curcumin. Curcumin boasts powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a champion for brain and nerve health. Studies have shown that curcumin may help repair damaged nerve cells, improve mood by boosting serotonin and dopamine levels, and even slow down age-related cognitive decline. It also has potential in protecting against neurological conditions like Alzheimer's. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is simple. Mix it into soups, curries, or rice dishes, or enjoy it as a comforting turmeric latte made with milk and a sprinkle of black pepper to enhance absorption. If cooking with turmeric isn't your style, curcumin supplements are an alternative. Eggs are often referred to as nature's multivitamin because of their impressive nutritional profile. They're particularly well known for being an excellent source of choline. This nutrient is critical for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that regulates memory, mood, and muscle control. Eggs also contain B vitamins, including B6, B12, and folate, which reduce levels of homocysteine in the blood. High homocysteine levels are linked to brain shrinkage and an increased risk of dementia, so consuming eggs is a smart choice for long-term brain health. Enjoy eggs for breakfast in the form of scrambled eggs, an omelet packed with vegetables, or a simple boiled egg as a snack. They're easy to prepare and incredibly versatile. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, barley, and whole grain bread are fantastic sources of complex carbohydrates. These carbs break down slowly, providing a steady release of glucose, the brain's primary energy source. Eating whole grains can help maintain focus and reduce brain fog by keeping your blood sugar levels stable. They're also loaded with B vitamins, which play a key role in maintaining nerve structure and function. Adding whole grains to your diet can be as simple as starting your day with oatmeal, swapping white rice for quinoa, or choosing whole grain pasta or bread for your meals. Small changes can yield big benefits for your brain and nerves. Yes, chocolate can be good for your brain when it's the right kind. Dark chocolate, particularly those with at least 70% cocoa content, is rich in flavonols that improve blood flow to the brain. This boosts oxygen delivery and enhances overall cognitive function. Dark chocolate also stimulates the production of endorphins and serotonin, which can uplift your mood and reduce stress. Its magnesium content further supports nerve function and mental relaxation. To enjoy dark chocolate's health benefits, indulge in small portions, about 1 to 2 ounces per day. Snack on a piece of dark chocolate, mix it into a trail mix with nuts and seeds, or sprinkle some shaved chocolate over yogurt or oatmeal. The foods we eat have a profound impact on how we think, feel, and function. By regularly incorporating these 8 brain-nurturing foods, fatty fish, dark leafy greens, nuts and seeds, berries, turmeric, eggs, whole grains, and dark chocolate into your diet, you can support optimal brain and nerve health. Whether you're striving for sharper focus, better memory, or long-term protection against neurological decline, these foods provide the nutrients your body needs. Start small, make simple swaps in your meals and snacks, and over time, you'll notice the difference. So, what are you waiting for? Take charge of your brain health today. Let's keep learning, growing, and thriving together. Don't forget to share your favorite brain-boosting recipes or tips in the comments and subscribe for more health and wellness content.